Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share with you this project created for me by Natalie Armstrong. I will link her below. During the next few videos, you're going to see me catching up on some Christmas stuff. I took a break from social media over the holidays, so I haven't really been doing very many videos or posts, but I have been doing a lot of creating. And this is a swap that I participated in over at the Loaded Envelopes Galore and More Facebook group. Natalie is always such a great swap partner. She and I have a very similar farmhouse style, and I always know what I'm going to get when I swap with Natalie, and I'm always so happy. But she used, I know this is an older collection from Hobby Lobby. I actually did a class at the library, Christmas cards using this scrapbook paper, and I love it. Obviously, I did a class with it, but she also sent me some really nice goodies. She sent me these gold lame puffy hearts from Maggie Holmes. Thank you so much. I really like these, and I can't wait to use them in my projects. I've been wanting some. She sent me this adorable little Christmas card. She made some really cute rosettes. I'm actually going to open these now. I didn't open them before, but oh, these are cute. Really cute. It's got one of the snowflake ornaments from Dollar Tree on there. This Santa face I know is a chipboard from Hobby Lobby. The Ho Ho Ho. She did this one as a double rosette, and there's a snowflake in the center along with this really cute red checked ribbon. Thanks, Natalie. And she also sent me this peppermint fragrance sachet and some red glitter ribbon. Very cool. Thank you. That'll come in handy. On to the main attraction. This is a tutorial by Michelle over at the Shabby Chic Chick. I will link her site below. I'll link Natalie as well, and I'll also be linking the video that Natalie took of what I sent her. I didn't get any pictures of mine before I sent it out, so I will link what I made her. And this is Emily's first crafty video, so go over there and show her some love. But on this, she did a really cute tassel, and it's got this Let It Snow ornament, I think this is. Maybe it's a chipboard tag. Either way, it's super cute. She did some beads in various black, gray, and white, and then she did some more of this beautiful ribbon that she used for the closure as well. So let's see what's inside. So, all right, so each box has a little number. Let's start with the first one, and I believe this is probably going to be the cards. We had to make 2 cards in envelopes, and this is the first envelope card. Super cute. I think this is another one of the tags that she had used on the tassel that she created, and these are some of the Hobby Lobby poinsettias. I have some of these too. They're super cute. I don't know if I used them this year or not. And then she left the inside blank. Super cute. Thank you, Natalie. Use those next year. And then the second one, oh, I like this. I love this birch paper. She used a tag for the center, some mistletoe, some of this tiny black and white checked buffalo print ribbon, some grosgrain in like a really cute tan, almost looks like jute. And then she left the inside blank. And then look at this fun shred and foam balls that she created. I'll keep that. I'll reuse it. I always reuse that kind of stuff. Don't think your packaging is brand new if you're getting it from me. Sorry. Second box, we have more of this fun shred, and these are some cute ribbons, some white and gold happy holidays, some of this cute little polka dot, some black and white of the buffalo check. This is like a red jute with a little bit of glitter on it. Very cute. And then some of this red and tan buffalo check. Can't wait to use all this stuff. I've decided that I'm Christmas crafting all year long because it makes me happy. And if I've learned anything from 2020, do whatever that makes you happy. Okay, number 3. Oh, we got some sequins in here. And then, oh, some more sequins, smaller ones this time around. I give up. Okay. 4. Ooh, we've got some snowflake ornaments. But I would just take the string off this, and you can use this in any of your projects. You don't necessarily have to have it hang. And it's nice that it has this little ornament part on it, because you could use it as part of a tassel or add some beading to it. Cute idea. I like those. 5. Oh, miniature bow. Look at how tiny that triple mini bow is. I love this cut file. It's one of my favorites. I mean, just adorable. Absolutely adorable. Thank you. I love anything miniature, especially bows. She did it in that birch. I love how it's black and white, and I can use it on anything. Oh my God, I just love these bows. How cute are they? And they just remind me of Rudolph with that red gem in the center. Thanks, Natalie. Okay. What do we got in this one? Oh, we've got flowers. She made me some black flowers. Some have a red gem in the center, and some of them have a white pearl. Moving along, other side. Let me see. Oh, I went out of order. Oh well, it's off now. So, oh, look at these. These are adorable. They're these little mini shopping bags that she altered with some of her bows, and it's got some tulle in there. Oh my God, this is going to be adorable to send a little goodie with. Another one. Oh my God, these are adorable. And we have some foam tape. We had to include a $5 gift, so this is probably my gift right here. Oh, look at those. Gold. Cute, thank you. Actually, I'm gonna take this out because I'll use it like right now. All right, so box number 7. Sorry, I went out of order. Okay, we've got some rosettes. We had to do a couple rosettes. Cute. We have joy and peace on this one. This is a really versatile set too, because I know of a couple different paper collections that I use currently that it will look really good with. I've fallen in love with Cartabella and anything that they create, and their Christmas collections are like super traditional. This would look really nice with them. So she gave me this little gnome, little fun gnome. I love it. We'll have to hide it though in our house. My husband is anti-gnome. He really just doesn't like them, and I find it funny to tease him about it. So inside this one, we have some wood tags. These are cute. I will definitely alter these. And I like this ribbon too that's holding them together. Thank you, Natalie. Actually, I'm probably going to take those out too, because this won't go in the Christmas stuff. And then we have some, little gems. Looks like there's a couple of beads thrown in there. Very cute. Thank you. I know I'll be using those. Underneath, we've got some little mini clothespins that she made. This one says Santa's Workshop. Oh, so does this one. Oh, these are cute. And the final one, I think I sent these to her too. These are some of the miniature ornaments that they have at Walmart. Thanks, Natalie. Obviously, we have similar style. Well, thank you for watching, and go show Natalie some love over at her YouTube. And stick with me because you're going to be seeing some more Christmas projects in the next few days. Bye!